Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking firmware and battery readings on your paired device so you know the baseline. Make sure the charging contacts are clean. Dirt blocks current and causes drain. Next, disconnect and forget the Airpods, then toggle your device Bluetooth to clear a hanging connection. Once done, place Airpods in the case and observe the LED. This confirms they are charging. If the case doesn't show a charge light, plug it in and move to verification steps right away. You now perform a full reset to clear firmware glitches. Press and hold the case setup button about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. After reset, pair again and test each earbud individually to find a weak cell or higher drain on one side. Also inspect settings on your phone, disable constant Siri listening, background audio for apps, and reduce active notifications that wake the buds. Doing these checks explains why one behavior might cause disproportionate battery loss. You finish by swapping cables and chargers to rule out a faulty power source and fully charge both case and Airpods in one uninterrupted cycle. Make sure your phone or computer runs the latest OS so firmware updates apply automatically. These often fix battery bugs. If drain continues despite resets, isolated testing, and fresh cables, contact support for a battery service or replacement. If you hit unexpected behavior, try one more reset and, if unresolved, book a service appointment. This single step solves many hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.